I'm gonna put it on your fork. Look, Mommy, help. Now put it in your mouth. Good girl. There you go. Don't poke your eye. Yay! Uh-oh. Look, put it on your fork. Paisley, look at Mommy. Put it on your fork. Boop. Now put it in your mouth. Not that one. Look, it's on your fork. Bite. Okay, can you get it off? Yay! Fork. Yeah, fork. Yeah. Say banana. Banana. You're not gonna say banana? Say nana. And put it on your fork. Can you do it? Look. Here you go. Put it in your mouth. Good. Yay. That's a big girl. That's a big girl eating with a fork. A big girl. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, you can't see, can you? It fell on the floor. Uh-oh. All right, let's get it and wash it.